In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel an order on Costco. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in costco.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Costco. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to cancel the order you've placed, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply look at top. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply find this option for orders and returns and click on it. Now you'll be led to the orders interface of Costco. You'll be able to see all of your orders over here. Simply wait for this interface to load. Now you'll be able to find the option for online and warehouse over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your orders over here. So what you have to do is simply find the order that you would like to cancel. After you do that, in that order, you'll be able to find the option for cancel item. What you have to do is click on it. Keep in mind you have a limited window. If you do not see the button, the order is likely too far along. Once an order ships or enters final processing, online cancellation becomes impossible and you'll need to return the item. But if the order has not been shipped yet, you'll be able to find the option for cancel item. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, the order will be cancelled and your refund will be processed. So like this, you'll be able to cancel your order. So that is how you cancel your order on Costco. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.